In this session, we are going to take a look at AI field neural networks. Let's start. Neural networks are computing systems inspired by the human brain, forming the backbone of machine learning and artificial intelligence. They process data through interconnected nodes, so-called neurons, organized in layers, learning to recognize complex patterns and make predictions without explicit programming. How neural networks work? Neural networks break down information through three primary types of layers: input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. Input layer receives the raw data. Hidden layer, where the heavy lifting occurs. These hidden layers apply mathematical operations, weights, and biases to extract features and learn hidden data representation. Output layer produces the final result, for example, such as classification or a continuous value. Key architectures: CNNs or convolutional neural networks, designed for grid-like data. They excel at computer vision, facial recognition, and image analysis. RNNs, recurrent neural networks and transformers, designed for sequential data such as natural language processing, speech recognition, and large language models, so-called abbreviated LLMs. Deep learning, you already familiar with it, refers to neural networks with many hidden layers. That's why it's called deep, allowing them to automatically learn highly complex features from raw and unstructured data. Training and optimization. A neural network is not immediately intelligent. It must undergo some kind of specific training process. It makes predictions on labeled datasets, measures its mistakes using a mathematical formula called a loss function, and uses an algorithm called backpropagation to adjust its internal weights and biases. You remember we were talking about specific package called platforms called weights and biases in previous sessions to improve future performance. Now, let's take a look at specific or special neural networks tools. Neural network AI tools are software frameworks and libraries. Frameworks include libraries used to design, train, and deploy deep learning models. Whether you are looking to build custom architecture from scratch or apply ready-made predictive models, industry standard tools cater to varying levels of technical expertise. Model building frameworks for developers and researchers. These are the core environments used to design neural networks layer by layer: PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Keras. You're already familiar with these three. PyTorch, favored for research and experimentation. TensorFlow, production-ready ecosystem for building, training, and deploying neural networks across multiple devices and clouds. And Keras, a beginner-friendly high-level API, runs on top of TensorFlow, allowing you to define neural network layers and training metrics with minimal coding. No-code and data analytics platform for neural networks. Number 1, MATLAB Deep Learning Toolbox provides algorithms, functions, apps to create and train deep neural networks directly from your specific data. Neural Tools application that integrates directly into Microsoft Excel means Excel add-in, using neural networks to make predictions based on your spreadsheet data. Pre-trained and domain-specific tools. NVIDIA AI Enterprise, which includes optimization toolkits that apply transfer learning to pre-trained networks, drastically reducing development time. So only one, NVIDIA AI Enterprise. Obviously, there will be more specific neural networks tools on the market later. See you in the next lecture.